Hi, Miss M6486. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, I am Trisha Marie Alisin. I was born in December 27, 1999. I I am 26 years old. I live in Negros Occidental. I am Catholic, Roman Catholic.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I serve six family member, three adults, three children, two children and one newborn.
Okay, other household chores that you do.
I will do cooking, cleaning, and washing.
So you are the one who do all the household chores, right?
Yes.
And you are car washing.
Yes.
How many car do you car wash?
Two.
Two
Two
cars.
cars.
Every
Day.
every day?
Yes.
Okay. And you also taking care of pet, right?
Yes.
What kind of pet?
Dog and cats.
Dog and cats. Okay, since I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, so you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn, right? And it
Yes.
is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes.
Okay, if the newborn is crying, what will you do?
To check the temperature and feed. Check the diaper. It's full.
Okay, and if the baby won't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
Call attention parent
Okay, you will call the attention of the parent. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because the high salary and to provide financially for my family.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years and more if need to extend my employer.
So you will extend your contract if your employers needed you.
Yes.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, but I will learn to some videos, YouTube and recipe book.
Okay. And also, if you got an employer in Hong Kong, you could ask your employer if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
Yes.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes.
It is okay to you to share job with other helper?
Yes.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
Yes.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes.
Pets?
Yes.
If one of your employer doesn't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me and I'll dedicate to hardworking, diligent, respectful, and responsible.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Trisha. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Okay.